Hey, this is Ollie from TaskTag. I'm going to be showing you how to create a new task within a project. So I go to one of my projects here, El Tiempo. We're actually going to be handing this over to the client. So I'm going to create a task for that. Hand over to the client today. And it's on this project. The start date is taking place today. It will be completed today, fingers crossed. And this is really important because it's going to end the project. So I'm also going to add my co-worker, Juliana, to this as well, because she's going to be important to the task. Create task, and it is done. You can then see my task within the list here by simply hitting refresh. There you go, there's the handover.